this application here. I'm pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. So as you can see here, this application, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Do keep in mind, this application is full of ads. Developers, if watching this, please fix the ads. It's outrageous, man. But besides the ads, it's okay. Not gonna lie. So as you can see there, there's the ads again. So this application pretty much shows you all of the features for the future and for the past. If they played in a match, all you have to do is just tap on the calendar icon here. Once you tap on the calendar icon here, you can pretty much adjust the time and go back to the date that you want it to be. And it will show you the match played in that specific league there, as you can see there. And also, if you want to quit the scrolling, you can tap on the arrow icon to minimize that link, or to minimize this link, or to minimize this link, so you can easily find the other links. So quite a lot of links for this here. So it will show you almost all the links as it relates to football. So in the notification section, nothing much. Favorite section, once you add your favorite team, as you can see here, quite a lot of ads. But once you add your favorite team here, it will show you more of that. Also, you can add your favorite league as well. And you can also tap on that link to see the features of that link. So, same thing for the teams. You can tap on the teams and see features within their league that they are playing, and also matches that they'll be playing, and also players that are on their team and so forth. So that's pretty much it for that. In the settings option here, nothing much, everything basic. But as I said before, guys, it's a very, very good application if you want to keep up to date with the football matches and teams and all those stuffs. But the ads needs to be fixed, and there's a lot of ads. I think the ads needs to be fixed, but it's a very good application, however. But that's all for today. If I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See if we can help you out. See you in the next one.